So today we are going to download Wireshark and we will install Wireshark after downloading it. So here is the link. If we click over the link, we can see the Wireshark download page will open. And now according to the system which you are having, you can download the versions. And let's see, I am downloading according to my system configuration. So I have a Windows 64-bit. So I have just downloaded it. So it is 68 MB file. So you can go over the older versions of the Windows also, or depending upon the systems which you are having, you can just download it according to your system configuration, whether you are using your Linux, whether you are using Mac OS or Windows. So accordingly you can select the download software and just download it. So now I have downloaded the Wireshark installer. So I will move into the folder where it has been downloaded, and now we need to install it. So we'll double click it, and with some permission you can just click next. And if you want to create a desktop icon, you can just click this checkbox and then click next. Then a default folder where you want to select these files to be installed, next. And if you install it, it will by default install np capture, the software. So you have to select this because it is going to capture your network data. So this software is very important for analyzing. So click over next. And then also USB capture, if you want to analyze the network, that how much data is being transferred through your USB or any hardware connected to your PC. So you can select over this USB cap also. But right now I'm not going to select this, and I'll just click over install. So it will start installing. So there is a license agreement, you have to agree it. So I'll click over agree. And then there are some of the other softwares which need to be installed. So if you want to install it, you can just select over it, otherwise you can just skip this. So I'm going to select few of them. And click over install. So now my installation is completed. So if I finish it, so intermediary softwares has already been installed, and now it is extracting all the files. So I will manually reboot it. I have just finished it. Now if I can see if there is some icon of Wireshark, you can see here.